Tip number 6, it's all about you. There's a great saying that the eyes are the windows of the soul, so it's super important that you have tunnel vision and you look straight at the lens on the camera. If you're doing this on your phone or you're in selfie mode, don't be distracted by your own image looking back at you. Figure out where the camera lens is and shoot your eyes straight at it. You also want to use your body language to help sell watching this video. A lot of video on social media is going to be watched first time in silence, so if you don't look like you're having fun or you're not energetic about what you're talking about, as an audience member, I'm not even going to bother listening to it with the sound on. A pro tip would be to have subtitles, and that way, even if it's being watched in silence, they're going to grasp the concept of what it is that you're talking about. Don't forget to smile and have fun, because the passion for what you do will be one of the main things that draw other people into your energy. You can do this. Kia ora, it's Scott here from the Content Club, and this is just one part of our Getting You Ready for Video series that we've just made. There's 5 more videos right here for you to check out, and if you got some value out of this or you liked it, please give it a share and make sure you're following along to the Content Club on Facebook and Instagram for more videos just like this. Cheers.